for apple, juicy and red. B is for bear, who's going to bed. C is for cat, who's chasing a mouse. D is for door to a colorful house. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who hops all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and high. H is for helicopter up in the sky. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jelly that wiggles bold. K is for kangaroo, bouncing by. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, who loves to swing. N is for nest, where the birdies sing. O is for octopus, down in the sea. P is for penguin, sipping some tea. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for robot, dancing around. S is for snake, who slithers slow. T is for train that's ready to go. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for van that drives through the lanes. W's for whale with a splash so wide. X is for train that's ready to go. U is for yak with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to spare. Now we've reached the end. Hip, hip, hooray, let's ride the alphabet train all day.